How's it going, everyone? I'm out here at my local creek, just walking distance from my house. Have my ultralight, trying out a new, let's see if it'll focus, a new bait right here I have. Mini magnet, 1/200th ounce jig head. Tiny little trout magnet. Let's see what we can get down here in this little creek. First cast. Huh? It's kind of hard to cast. Oh, first fish. Tighten up the drag. What is that? Ooh, nice. Some fish. Oh, oh. Beautiful. Red breast, I believe. Look how tiny this lure is compared to that fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, there it goes, in the water. See, there's a deep hole right there. Let's see if we can try it. It's a micro trout magnet. And a bite. Stuck in a spider web. Might have to switch up colors. I might have to switch up colors. Got him. What do we have here? Ooh, gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's a little creek chub, shiner, whatever. Not even sure, but he choked it. Wow. Good thing I got some fly fishing pliers. Right out. Quick release. Here we go. Now I think I saw something a little bit bigger in this hole, so let's keep trying. Ooh, nice. Right off the bat, a little bit bigger creek chub. Woo, woo. They're like little snakes. All right. Keep doing that because I keep getting cobwebs and spider webs on my line and lure. Now, let's move on down the river, see if we can find another hole. Ooh, had one, but I didn't set the hook right. Got one, yes. Saw that one come for it. You know, I'm just having some fun out here. Catching creek chubs, caught a sunfish. This little micro what is it? Trout Magnet. Have a whole kit here. I'll probably put on a different color here in a couple minutes. See if we can get another one real quick. Oh, had a bite. Almost 2 in a row. See, never say never. Look at that. Different species. Is that some kind of shiner? Creek shiner? I usually see them with the red. That one has the orange stripe on it. Very pretty. Nice. Whoop. Let's try a different color. Kind of hard to get that open. Let's see what we got here. So, that's what it, oh, that ain't the right color. This is how it comes. Let's see. I think I'm gonna try the pink. I think that might do really good. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different colors. One color gold hook. The mini magnet kit. 1 200 ounce. 1 200 ounce. That's insane. The smallest I've ever fished with is a 1/80th ounce. And I had to get 2-pound line just to cast that, and I'm using 2-pound line again right now. So the way to hook it up is just go through the top, the split tail is the bottom, go right down the middle, all the way through, go back if you mess up, poke it out the bottom, get those tails right in the middle, and boom, there you go. Let's try a little bit of pinky dinky. It's not hitting that hard right now, surprisingly. Yes, maybe I need to try the cork, but as I was saying that, I hooked into one, so maybe not. I'd love to catch a bluegill or some fish, but ooh, that one's starting to get its horny head. It's a creek chub right there, horny head. Oh, come on, little guy. There we go. Catch creek chubs all day with this thing. Uh-oh. All right, I think there can be a couple spots. This fallen tree here. This is the river, kinda. The creek gets broken apart to all different sections. Oh, look at that first cast. Oh, came off. Whoa, yes. Let's see what we got here. Another small, calm down, baby creek chub. Look at that bait. That fish is tiny, and that bait just fits perfectly in his mouth. Talk about ultra light. See what else we can get. Oh, what is this? Whoa, new species. Let's go. Tiny. Oh my gosh, look at that, y'all. get this off. Doesn't rip his lip anymore. Oh no! I lost him. That was the cutest little guy. That was bait, if you ask me, but hey, I'm out here having a great time catching him. Make sure that's slid up on there. This is proven to be a multi-species lure. Oh, and multi-species creek. They're up underneath that tree. Oh yes, perfect cast. Gotta get one on that. Oh, came out. Oh man. Oh, did it again. Okay. Fish on. Another creek chub. Beautiful. See how many fish we can get out of this little hole. Check on this. It's looking a little wonky. Oh, bug on me. And no, I did not get eaten alive by bugs. Look at the end of my last video to know what that's all about. I'm hung up on a spider web. I'm just barely on the surface. Nothing sitting on the, nothing will eat it sitting on the surface. Okay, I managed to get up on this tree and to get over here. Kind of seeing a good spot right there. Kind of also looks like major snag city, but we're gonna try. Give it our best shot. Oh yes, got one out of the sticks. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's a, what is that? A red breast? I'm not sure what kind of, oh no. Shoot, gotta get him. Gotta rescue my fish. Oh no. Oh gosh. Come here, buddy. Oh, maybe I should have been using that net. Sorry, buddy. Yikes. Well.